Alright, so here we have the Excel information used for the extra credit data. So yeah, we're going to create a pivot table first. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is actually make sure all my columns are the right length, just so I can kind of see everything, you know. Alright, everything seems to be formatted well. Dates, building size, lot size, year, and square footage of the lot, I suppose. Yeah. Alrighty. And we're going to do the pivot table with the average sales price per building square foot by state. So first I'm going to turn this information into a table. I'm going to select it there. Create a table. I guess that one's cool. Alright, looks good, looks good. Okay, so we're going to turn this table into a pivot table. So I'm going to go to data and pivot table. Oh, sorry. Actually, I have to select this table range here. Alright. Pivot table. Awesome, awesome. And I see it gives us these automatic values, but I don't really want to worry about what they were trying to do. So yeah, we want the average sales price per building square foot. So sales price per square foot, I'll put that as the values. I'll put, we want it organized by state, so I'll do the column headings, each individual state, and the row labels will be each building's size. So here we have it here. Move this out of the way so we can see what's going on here. Yeah. Alrighty. So here we have each state, and we have their. This is the average price per square foot of a building this size in Alabama. And this would be the average average price per square foot of a building this size in Alabama. And they have each of these for each state, as you can see: California, Colorado, Florida, and Georgia. And I kind of made a mistake here. See, the values are it should say average, so that as the column, the total columns be an actual average of these two values, so that the average average price per square foot in Alabama is actually $514, which is the average price of those two houses, the two properties that we have here. And it's the same for each column. So in Arizona, average $355. Colorado, it's a bit higher. What's this? Massachusetts, I believe, has a pretty low average cost. But then again, the average comes from, it's a large square footage house, and I'm guessing its total price isn't that large, which is why the average price per square foot is kind of low. So that's kind of they actually got a good deal on a big house, paying only $136 per square foot. All right, and that's the pivot table. Next, we'll be going to, we're going to be making a chart out of this information. All right, so I'm going to open up a new, this is our table here. I have it in sheet 3. The pivot table we just made here is in sheet 4, so yeah, the table is in sheet 3. All right, so we're going to do a chart. Now, charts get a bit tricky. This chart will be it'll be a bar chart, and it's gonna have the sales price per building square footage. So that's the sale price here per square footage on the y-axis, and it'll have the state here on the x-axis. So let's make a chart. Let me actually select those two values. So the sales price here. I'm gonna hold down Command so I can select some other information. Yeah, I'll select the states there. I'm gonna go here to charts, and now it says a bar chart. However, bars are horizontal, so I'm gonna use column. It's about the same concept. And we'll pick clustered column. Alrighty. So it appears here we have numbers 1 through 43. Those would be states. Let's make sure these numbers here are formatted correctly. No, cancel. Where's the red? Let's see if we can select our data information. Alright, so chart data range here and there. Yeah. Okay, so category on the Y values, we want the Y values to be this sales price per square foot. So that will be this one here. Just kind of select that like this. Okay, and then for the X values, which are the horizontal values, we want actual states. So there we go. There we are. Now this legend here. Let's see. Give it a title. Alright, so here we have charts, and then we have the chart layout area. Chart title, title above chart. And, let's just kind of name this sales price per square. Average actually. Square foot. Okay. Also, now we're going to need our axes, some titles. Title below the horizontal axis. This should be state. And we're going to have our, select the chart here. Alright, chart, axes, vertical axis, rotating title. And we'll call this one sales price per square foot. Alrighty. Let me just make this a little bigger so you guys can kind of see what all we have here. I apologize for that. Alrighty. So you see in California we have the average there being the top of the bar. Actually, I kind of want to change the way that these bars look. So go to format, no, chart layout. Here we are, chart quick layouts. So we can choose from the preset chart styles. As you can see here. And I kind of like it here with the numbers showing so that we get a clear picture of what the average alright, let me make sure I pick the one that I want. Oh gosh, and I did all the little title things that I did, because I have to go back and do that manually again. Oh, now that's interesting. Now, actually, I think I'm going to put the states in alphabetical order, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, they're kind of in a random order now, but I guess it's neither here nor there. Just want to get those numbers back on here. It's getting really tedious. It's not one. That's one. It's two. Oh, it's 7. Let's go to 1. Okay, so there's layout 1, 2, layout 3. So 3 is nice. Okay, I'm gonna go here with 4. I'm actually, let's see, I might want to make my chart style. You have all kinds. 3D. Let's see how that looks. 3D. Looks nice. Let's spread these out a little bit so the numbers can have some room to breathe. Yeah. Oh, that looks better. Okay. And I see we don't have a legend, but it's because the legend is above each number here. So format axis data title. So we need to title the chart, label and format the axis data. So I'm gonna go back and do that now again. So sales. It's being a bit slow now. A bit of a lag there. It's kind of annoying me. SALES price. Professor Sistrunk, are you really going to sit here and watch every student's 15-minute video? That's crazy. Alright. S price per square foot. Average sales. Average sale price per square foot. Gosh. Good. Did not move that. Alright. Chart layout. Axis title. I'm a little bit under the weather, so please excuse my nose clearing. The horizontal, the vertical axis here, we'll name it sales price. Oh no, sorry, I made a mistake. It's supposed to be building size. Let's make sure this data is correct. So that would be here actually. We'll go to chart, select, I want my X. Well, I guess this is right. It says sales price. Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. I was being off topic, kind of deviating there. Okay. Oh, alright, the vertical title. So this is sales price per square. Also, it's got to be by state. Alrighty, and I believe we have a bar chart. We have sales price per square foot on the y-axis, and we have state on the x-axis as a title, and then we label all the axes, and the legend is the numbers above the bars. And so now we'll move on to fusion tables. Actually, I'm out of time on this video, so I'll record another one.